call us, we call the Uber guy, the youth. In the half mile away, I'm going to drive a Xfinity, a white Xfinity QX80. Yeah man, the dude that comes to me in one of them one. Two minutes away. Yeah, no. That's a man black and that's the enemy. No, I don't know that. That's not the surrender. Okay. Where am I? In the third of a mile away. I don't find this. Like I'm that. Blood clot. Let me look. It says a white Xfinity. No, run a him. Blood clot, one piece of fuck. Boy, there goes a Babylon boy. Oh, and they're 250 feet away. Oh, and they're over there, sir. One piece of fuck. Oh, two vehicle up there, sir. But you want back out of the line. One call the fucker. The Xfinity. Down. Hey, how you doing, buddy?
Good.
I just don't want to get wet.
No, I got you.
You know, so I'm going back home. We're going to the races, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But the rain fuck it up today, man. I just don't want my clothes to wet up on my shoes. So I'm going back to my fucking house.
So you didn't even get to go out?
Huh?
You didn't even get to go out?
What do you say?
You didn't get to go out, like, ride?
No, I leave my house all the way down 199.
Oh.
But I'm going to meet up with the guys at the bicycle shop at South Street. Alright, you can put on the other one.
This is it?
Yeah. We have race on Tuesday and Thursday. The rain flush out Tuesday and it flush out today. So
it's gonna be raining all week.
yeah, fuck it. I don't know. Whoa, fuck. Wait, we don't want to make the wheel wet up your truck. Alright.
Yeah, wipe it off.
Alright. Thank you, okay? Hey, let me take a little leak right here, please. Fuck this nigger. I don't know. I don't want nobody take no offense here. Oh, let me go over this side. Fuck. I don't know where the fuck to piss. I don't know where to piss and drop a leak right here, bro. Damn. This is a water tank? Motherfucker. Oh gosh, my fucking dick is burning up. Oh, thanks.
Yeah, you gotta move it back.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
No problem, bro.
You're not hot?
No.
Can you turn on the air a little bit?
Oh.
Cold as fuck.
Oh, here. The heat, I got, yeah.
Yeah.
If it gets too hot, then just change this.
Yeah.
It's not, yeah.
Yes, sir. Man, fuck, I'm cold. Shit. I just get barely damped, you know?
Oh, yeah?
Because I was right there when the rain started to fall and I pull over. Man, I don't like riding the rain. It's fucking around, man.
Yeah, man, that's how you get sick and pneumonia.
Yeah. I know the rain fall earlier.